I have literally done 3-4 shows एक साथ. Of course, it takes a toll because इतने harsh lights होते हैं, and you know you're working under crazy circumstances. Like even if you're sick and if they have a telecast issue, then you just have to work.
Yeah.
I think at that time we were so young ना कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. Like I would even party at night and then like go for a 7 a.m. shift in the morning and nothing would bother me. Now if you tell me to do that, फाइनल प्रोडक्ट जो आप देखते हो वो कुछ और ही होता है, बट एक्चुअली द थिंग्स दैट हैपन बिहाइंड द कैमरा इज a completely different, you know, like I was doing a show called Pyar Ki Ek Kahani. I was playing a vampire in that show, so we would only shoot night shifts for that show.
As outsiders from the industry, we always feel, enamored by the way you guys look. So what do you do while you're maintaining all these schedules?
You know, actually it's a myth कि एक्टर्स का स्किन एंड यू नो बॉडी एंड ये वो एकदम अच्छा होता है, स्किन इज ऑलवेज ग्लोइंग. वैसा कुछ नहीं होता. टू मेंटेन यू नो एंड टू हैव एनर्जी यू हैव टू टेक इट.
वेलकम टू द वाइटल्स एडिट, द पॉडकास्ट सीरीज ऑफ HK वाइटल्स. आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं. यू सीन हर एवरीवेयर, TV, वेब सीरीज, OTT एंड नाउ Instagram. शी इज़ बीन एसोसिएटेड विद आवर ब्रांड फॉर लास्ट 3 years now. वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट कीश्वर.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी हियर.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग. कीश्वर, आज हम आपसे बहुत चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे. आपकी करियर जर्नी, आपकी हेल्थ जर्नी, आपकी स्किन, हेयर, वेट मैनेजमेंट, a lot of issues that women face, and I'm sure that this podcast will be really exciting.
It is, I'm sure.
So Kishwar, let's start about your acting journey. आपको हमेशा से एक्टिंग करना था या life had these plans for you?
I think life had plans for me because मैं हमेशा से actually air hostess बनना चाहती थी. But my mother kind of discouraged me to become that. I don't know why. Also because, you know, तब के ज़माने में, I'm talking about at least 30 years back, तो तब ये होता था कि, you know, you had to study a lot to become an air hostess. आजकल वैसा नहीं है. आजकल it's pretty easy, you know, if you have the skills, then, you know, you can. But and I was never interested in my studies. I just hated to study. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार ये तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, इसमें काफ़ी पढ़ाई करनी है. तो आई वॉज ऑल्सो इंक्लाइन टूवर्ड्स मॉडलिंग अ लॉट. तो मैंने हमारे बैंड्रा में ना एक सेंट एंड्रूज ऑडिटोरियम में एक शो हो रहा था कॉल्ड खूबसूरत 97. And I just saw the ad and, you know, my mom said, do you want to take part? I was like, okay, you know, I can try. And I did that and I got the first runner-up in that show. It was a show where Rohit Verma, I met him for the first time, where he was the choreographer. Uske baad then I did a lot of press ads and, you know, but that was not something that was satisfying me. It was like कि मैं कर रही हूँ पर मज़ा आ रहा है but इतना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा. So then I kind of decided that I want to do like an entire, you know, acting course and I want to like get into acting because I remember when I was sitting one day and watching Hip Hip Hooray, I was like, wow, इनको कितना मज़ा आता होगा ना यार, इतने सारे बच्चे एक साथ and you know, they must be having so much fun on the set. And in 2 days after that, I got a call for an audition for Hip Hip Hooray. I went for it and I was supposed to be there only for like 2-3 episodes. कि वो लड़की अमेरिका से आती है, बस अपना जो भी करती है and she goes back. But the audiences liked, you know, the whole Purab and Mera angle so much that they kind of kept me for the next 60 episodes. And uske baad, of course, we did season 2. So that is how it just kind of started rolling, you know, for me. I think I wanted to become an air hostess because I wanted to travel the world. But now I can do both. You know, I can do what I love to do, which is acting, and I get to travel the world also.
So you've been really enjoying this career.
Loving it.
So with acting, how does your schedules kind of tie up? What kind of schedules do you follow?
यार थोड़ा सा difficult होता है because initially, you know, before I got married and before I had a child, it was very easy because all I would focus on was just work. I have literally done 3-4 shows एक साथ, which means कि I'm going for a 7 a.m. shift in the morning. I'm shooting with them till about 12:31. Then from there, I'm going to another set. I'm shooting with them from about 2 o'clock to 6:37 in the evening. And then I'm going on a third set, which will go on till 2 a.m. And then the whole routine the next morning starts again. तो ये सब भी मैंने किया है. Of course, it would take a toll because I would drive my own car.
Wow.
मुझे ड्राइवर रखना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है, तो मैं यहाँ से वहाँ से हर जगह मैं ट्रैवल करके खुद गाड़ी चला के जाती थी. एंड देन आई रियलाइज वन डे दैट ब्रो बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, like I can keep a driver, of course. So like we've done all of that, and I think at that time we were so young ना कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. Like I would even party at night and then like go for a 7 a.m. shift in the morning and nothing would bother me. And I would still be okay at the shoot and नींद नहीं आ रही है. Now if you tell me to do that, I don't think I can. Of course, it takes a toll because itne harsh lights hote hain, and you're working under crazy circumstances. Like even if you're sick and if they have a telecast issue, then you just have to work.
Yeah.
So I've also been in a state where I've been sick on the set, and actually doctor bulaya gaya hai set pe. He's given me an injection. They made me rest for about 2 hours, and I've started shooting again for them. So we've done all of that, and it's not all hunky dory जैसा दिखता है. Final product जो आप देखते हो वो कुछ और ही होता है, but actually the things that happen behind the camera is a completely different project altogether, I would
Wow.
say. Yeah.
Wow, that's admirable.
नहीं
So ये जब आप जैसे बता रहे हैं कि कोई दिन नहीं होता, कुछ रात नहीं होती,
होती.
sickness is also dealt with on the sets.
Yes.
So ये सब करने में how does your lifestyle take a toll?
Like I was doing a show called Pyar Ki Ek Kahani. I don't know if you've seen that show. I was playing a vampire in that show. So we would only shoot night shifts for that show. So there has been a time in a month that we've done 20 to 25 consecutive night shifts. So our entire body clock had changed because we would go back at like 5:36 in the morning, sleep, and then wake up at like 4 in the evening because obviously you're so tired that you wake up at 4 and 6 बजे का आपका रिपोर्टिंग है वापस. तो आपके पास सिर्फ वो 2 घंटे हैं to enjoy whatever you have at home and speak to your parents or do whatever in those 2 hours, because then you're going back to the set and you're going to be up all night again. तो it just like आपकी skin, आपके सब हर चीज पे it affects so much, your health. You fall sick because आप आपके body clock के against आप जा रहे हो, and you're doing things when people are sleeping, you're actually awake the whole night. So it's like it just takes a toll, but I think it's also fun, so we kind of like it, and that is how it is. So we've kind of used to it now.
So जैसे कि आपने बताया कि you guys follow such strenuous schedules and this takes a toll on multiple things in your life, your relationships, the timings with your loved ones,
Yeah.
and your skin. Skin की बात करते हैं. As outsiders from the industry, we always feel, enamored by the way you guys look. Your skin, your hair. Kishore, you're glowing always. So what do you do while you're maintaining all these schedules? What do you do to maintain your skin and hair health?
Well, I don't do much. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीती हूँ, वो भी आजकल हो गया है. पहले तो नहीं था फ्रैंकली. अगर आपने मुझे कई साल पहले देखा होता और मेरी स्किन को देखा होता, यू वुड बी लाइक ओ माय गॉड, because obviously you're thinner and your face is like एकदम ऐसे, and I anyways have dry skin, so it just makes me look really bad. I think after my pregnancy, after my post delivery and stuff is when I've started literally taking care bhi matlab I drink lots of water, so whatever basics I can do, I do that. आजकल मैंने वो day and night routine और वो regime I think start किया है, but that's about it. Yeah, I mean there is nothing much that I have done in the past to maintain anything because time ही नहीं होता था. I would be shooting such odd hours कि जब तक आप घर आते हो you're so dead that you just want to sleep. You don't have time to do your night routine कि मैं ये करूँगी and then I will sleep. No. And there was no sunscreen and all. Ye sunscreen and all that has come now.
Yeah.
That people have started using, and people are so aware and so conscious about, कि nahi, don't get out of the house without sunscreen. Earlier we were shooting in the sun and there was no sunscreen on our face. There was only makeup, So
Did
I
it
think
impact your skin at that time?
It did. So I had slight pigmentation मुझे I think हो गया था, but it's much better now. Yeah.
So as women, we see that and especially I've noticed that my skin has changed decade on decade. What I used to look in my 20s, I don't look now.
Exactly.
And how has your skin changed over
I
period
think
of time?
it's a complete transformation from body to face to hair to everything. I think, it kind of changes. But I think when I was in my 20s, I was very thin, but I was never fit. Now I feel fitter than what I used to be. Of course, my skin at that time, my face was एकदम ऐसे इतना पतला, and there was no glow, there was no वो एक होता है ना कि आप देखो and you'll be like, okay, oh wow, you're glowing. वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. All these things have just changed with time, and even my body, like my waist used to be like 28, now it's still 32 even after I work out so much. So it just completely, like, you go through a lot, I think, when you're pregnant and when you deliver, and also because I took it so आराम से and इतना laid back मैं हो गई थी after my delivery also, that it just is taking a lot of time for me to lose weight, but nonetheless enjoying the process.
So Kishore, when I just got to know that you're 44, I was like, wow, Kishore, I would want to have a skin like yours at that age. And you look like, maybe your skin looks like you're in 30s. So while you've talked about this journey of, how skin and health has been for you, what does the definition of health, or how does the definition of health change while you were in your 20s to now?
Actually it's a myth कि एक्टर्स का स्किन एंड बॉडी एंड ये वो एकदम अच्छा होता है, स्किन इज ऑलवेज ग्लोइंग. वैसा कुछ नहीं होता, बिकॉज द थिंग इज वी आर ऑलवेज शूटिंग, वी आर ऑलवेज विथ मेकअप. इवन एट द एयरपोर्ट जब एक्टर्स स्पॉट होते हैं, दे हैव मेकअप ऑन. इट्स नॉट लाइक
वो टाइम भी नहीं
बहुत ही
छोड़ते।
फ्यू एक्टर्स आई थिंक होते हैं जिनका बिल्कुल भी मेकअप नहीं होता. लाइक आई थिंक प्रॉब्ली एन आलिया भट्ट हु विल नॉट हैव मेकअप एंड हर स्किन वुड बी like glowing. But I feel that you have such great skin because you're not dealing with these harsh lights and styling of the hair, late night shoots, early morning packups, all of that. So I think all these really really take a toll. It kind of shows on the skin. ये तो of course पहले बहुत ज़्यादा भी मेकअप करते थे, अब वो हो गया है कि अब थोड़ा बेसिक करना पड़ता है, because now you're more aware, so you are taking care in your own way, and you're making sure you're doing things जो आजकल actually a girl even at 20s is doing, so if I am 44 and if I'm doing it, I think I need to do it. So yeah, so I think we're just more aware now of things, and I think that is how that's the difference also. पहले इतना awareness नहीं था, पहले इतना nobody would actually care or bother, कि आपकी skin कैसी लग रही है, because we were so into our work that it would not bother us. Now, because I've also been at home more than on the set, so I feel कि नहीं यार, ये dark circles दिख रहे हैं या कुछ, तो इसका कुछ करना चाहिए, उसका कुछ. So जो भी remedies, like, and Instagram is so like
Yeah.
there right now that any remedy that I see, like एक कोई पैक बना लिया घर पे, वो कर लिया, हेयर के लिए कुछ कर लिया, तो वो सब I keep doing at home because time hai. When Nirvair is sleeping, what do? You do all this, So that is how I think the change is that, and the difference is that now you're more aware of, your skin, your hair, and you want it to be slightly better than what it used to be, So yeah.
So you spoke about Nirvair and yeah, and your journey of motherhood. I think everybody's been looking at you, watching your videos on Instagram, and getting enamored by the way you look and how you've gone through that change. So I think we should touch base on the childbirth journey.
Abhi bhi, I get a lot of messages saying that you're an inspiration, and we watch your videos and we get motivated to work out, which is great. But for me, अंदर से सिर्फ मैं ही जानती हूँ ना कि I have still not reached the goal weight that I actually want to. I'm working really hard towards it. I'm doing whatever I can. Probably now also I'm at that stage where I don't want to lose weight and be thin. I want to be fit for my child. Like if he's running around and if he's wanting to play, then I should just be able to just get up and start playing with him. That is what I want now at this age. Because obviously late motherhood, I delivered him, I think, when I was 40. That also kind of takes a toll, because it's like इतना pressure हो जाता है कि आपने 40 पे birth दे दिया है, and now every year you're going to get older, and your son is going to get younger, because he will have so much energy to play that to maintain that, I think I've genuinely seriously started working out. And I think if it's motivating people, I think it's great, because people need that motivation. And if I'm doing that, I think it's great. Thank you very much. But yeah, I mean, there are things which are still left for me to do. अब मैं क्या बताऊँ यार, काफ़ी काफ़ी टाइम लग रहा है मुझे to lose weight. Also, I started very late. I started like about at least 2 years after he was born. तब तक मैंने काफ़ी, I had become laid back. I was just eating.
So what got you back into action then?
I think when he was crawling ना, इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. But when he started getting up and running is when I realized कि oh my god, now I have to start playing with him. I have to be that mother who is going to be active. And I want to be that mother who will be actively present for him all the time. So if he wants to play cricket or football or whatever, I want to play with him. So for that, I have to be really fit. I can't be like, मैं ज़मीन से भी नहीं उठ पा रही हूँ, to play with him. So I think that hit me. And that is when after 2, I was like, okay, now I have to get back. I still haven't gotten back to what I was, which is okay, but I'm there and I feel more fit, that's for sure. So I can lift more weights. I'm more toned than what, I was initially in my 20s. So I think that has really, जबकि लोग बोलते हैं ना कि जो आप एज के साथ your body can, it's just a myth. I think अगर आप उतना मेहनत करोगे and if you put in that hard work, age is just a number. You can actually become fit. Like, look at Malaika Arora,
Yeah.
I mean, she's so fit. And her age and her skin and everything. I mean, she's... So, yeah, I think I want to be the next Malaika.
That's really inspiring. आपने जैसे कि ये पूरी जर्नी की है मदरहुड की एंड देन द वेट लॉस जर्नी एंड यू सेड दैट मे बी एट द एज ऑफ 2 इज व्हेन योर चाइल्ड वाज 2 इज व्हेन यू रियलाइज दैट यू नीड टू बी मोर एक्टिव फॉर योर चाइल्ड. इस दौरान is there anything that you felt in your in the changes in terms of postpartum skin or hair? And I'm sure a lot of young mothers would want to know because we all go through those changes. So what is the change that you felt happening with your hair and skin, and how did you deal with it?
So in fact, when I was pregnant, I used to get a lot of calls and messages telling me कि your hair is looking so beautiful. What are you doing? And I'm like, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, COVID का time है. I'm just sitting at home and eating. That's it. So I think घर का खाना was probably doing it. I don't know. But immediately after my delivery, things just changed. Suddenly hair started falling like nobody's business. It was like ऐसे मैं कर रही थी and it was, just falling. And my skin, because it's always been dry, वो और dry होने लग गई और like वो जो पूरा ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आपको किसी ने एकदम ऐसे suck कर लिया हो पूरा. So my face had started looking like that. I had no energy in me because obviously at that time people are expecting you to do so much and be so probably more active than you normally are because you've just given birth. So you have to look after the baby, you have to do this, that, blah, blah. All of that was going on. And साथ में you just feel so a lot of things happened, like postpartum depression. मतलब not depression but yeah, वो थोड़ा सा वो होता ही है, चिड़चिड़ाहट and for everything also because आप में energy नहीं है but आपको इतना कुछ करना है.
And it's also a very new role. It's so overwhelming.
Exactly. And for me, because it wasn't even a planned baby, so it just was something that happened so achanak. I was probably not even ready for it. And of course I had those 8-9 months to get ready for it, but वो पहली बार होता है and then you're just so overwhelmed with so many things. Your body's gone through so many changes and तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा. And I've always been this person who's very strong-headed and very like मुंह फट. Okay, like I will say anything and whatever I feel is what I'll say. But I had become such an emotional person after my delivery that मुझे ऐसा लगता था this is not me. So to get that into my head कि now this is the new me also took a lot of time. So it just too many things happened and of course I think वो stress and ये वो से भी बालों की तो बैंड बच गई थी. इतने बाल गिर रहे थे कि मतलब there was no, I thought I will never have hair again. It was so bad. And the skin, the dark circles, it was just very bad and energy levels though were going down the drain. But when after 2 years when I said okay, now I have to get back to working out, is when I realized okay, now he's going to start running, so I have to work out. And I started my journey, but my trainer every day would tell me, pata hai, कि multivitamins ले लो, multivitamins start, and I would be like नहीं यार नहीं, because I get so bored to take those multivitamins. मैंने कभी नहीं लिया है in my life, तो I feel कि क्या ज़रूरत है, वर्कआउट करूँगी, एनर्जी वापस आ जाएगी, I'll be fine. एंड वैसे भी मुझे दवाइयाँ लेनी बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. इवन इफ आई हैव अ हेडेक ना, आई विल लाइक डिलेड जब तक इतना गंदा नहीं हो जाता सर दर्द कि आई कांट डील विद इट, इज व्हेन आई विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग द पिल. तो आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार नहीं लेना है, मुझे दवाई नहीं लेनी. एंड ही इज लाइक यू नो आफ्टर अ सर्टेन एज you have to, and plus for you it's very important because you've just given birth as 2 years back, and your body has gone through a lot. So to maintain, you know, and to have energy, you have to take multivitamins. And then the whole journey of HK Vitals multivitamins started, and I think it's great because, you know, once I started taking it, like लोगों को लगता है ना कि ये क्या है दवाई, you know, after every meal एक दवाई लेनी है, मतलब वो obviously दिन में एक ही लेनी है, but you know after your meal is when I would take it. And I think I can just drastically see changes because I've been taking it for a long time now, at least a year and a half, and I can see the changes in my hair, my skin. Like you said, I was glowing right now, and also my energy. जो मैं पहले थी, you know, like how I was in my 30s and 35 and before getting pregnant, I'm back to being what I was. So I'm loving this thing, and I think it's just a myth कि दवाई है, you know, मैं नहीं लेना चाहती, but it's just so important after a certain age to take, is what I have realized, and I just want to recommend everybody to, you know, take multivitamins because it is very very important. And if my trainer hears me saying this, he's going to be so happy right now, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा जो मना करती थी, आज मैं उसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, and I'm actually telling people to do it, which he'll be so proud of.
No, absolutely. I think your journey, you've explained it so well. And I think a lot of us have gone through similar journeys.
Of course, yeah.
Emotional, physical, mental. I think it's just a whole new experience, right?
And it's very overwhelming.
Yeah, and with women, they just pick up the load of almost everything. Right? They're the center of
जो
the
आपका
family.
काम नहीं है, उसका भी load आपने ले लिया.
Exactly.
You know? Yeah.
So I think keeping that in mind, the women's body also goes through a very different biological change process than a male's body. और ये हमने काफ़ी अंडरस्टैंड किया कि women की body में changes कैसे आते हैं, what kind of changes do men face while they age, and they were very different. And therefore, keeping that in mind, even with the multivitamins that you were taking, we made sure that we create 2 multivitamins for the different genders.
Yeah, of course. Like I'll tell you, for example, I've been working out for the past 1.5 years, and I still haven't reached the goal weight that I want to be. And Suyash started working out after me, at least कुछ 6-7 महीने मेरे बाद. And he is so fit and so thin already. And I'm like, how? मैं इतनी मेहनत करती हूँ, you know. But I think it's just the whole women and men जो changes है, and you know, जो भी है, I have no idea. But वो कुछ तो है बहुत बड़ा, जिसकी वजह से, you know, it's, they just, उनकी immunity, उनका everything, उनका metabolism, they just kind of, you know, lose weight so easily and so fast, and we just have to struggle. So I think
maybe weight is not a challenge, but there are many more challenges that they face.
I'm sure. So for that, I think, you know, taking a multivitamin every day is very very
absolutely
important. Yeah.
So Kishwar, अभी तक हमने जो बात की उसमें एक buzzword बहुत निकल के आया है, which is the goal weight.
Yes.
So why is it that you're desiring that goal weight, and what is that goal weight you're desiring?
I want to be 65. Okay, I'm 70 right now. I've come from 86 to 70.
Wow.
Okay.
And in how much span of time?
1.5 years. अब वो जो अटक गया है ना weight, I feel it's just stuck there, you know, it's just not going down. तो वो एक बार in my life, I want to just achieve it for nothing, but just want to achieve it. And yeah, I mean, it's difficult, you know. I mean, I feel कि of course I was very laid back, like I said, and वो सब था, but अब मैं काफ़ी कुछ कर रही हूँ. Like I work out, there are days when I do cardio, there are days, Saturday, Sundays for yoga. So, you know, जो मेरे से पहले कभी नहीं होता था, but अब मेरे से योगा भी होता है. This is also, I think, one difference in my 20s and 30s and what I am in my 40s is that I'm more flexible probably right now than I used to be, you know. So I mean, like I said, अगर करने पे आप आओ तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, is what I feel. So that is my goal weight.
So ये weight management journey में,
हाँ.
you're saying that you're working out,
Yeah.
right? And how many days do you work out? What do you do? What are other things that you keep as very strong pillars in this journey of last 1.5, 2 years of, being healthy?
So I've started drinking a lot of water,
Hmm.
which was advised again by my trainer.
So
And
आप trainer की बहुत सुनते हो?
बहुत. He is like my buddy, my person right now. And I do CrossFit, I think 5 times a week.
Wow.
So that is, I don't like to do machines and
Weights.
lifting. Yeah. So I lift a lot of heavy weights, but it's all CrossFit. And Saturday, Sundays, I do yoga. बीच बीच में अगर कोई डेज आते हैं तो आई जस्ट फील लाइक डूइंग कार्डियो सो देन आई एम जस्ट डूइंग लाइक अ मिक्स ऑफ क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग एंड वॉकिंग एंड स्टफ तो I do different things. My sister-in-law is a Zumba trainer, so there are times when I just go for her Zumba class. So I do
So
like
keeping it fun.
yeah, and not वैसा stress के oh my god ये करना है. It's like a lifestyle now.
Yeah.
I wake up in the morning and the first thing he goes to school and वो जो 2 घंटे मेरे पास होते हैं I'm just in the gym, and I'm just there doing my thing, refreshing my mind, planning like the whole day ahead, and then I go pick him up and after he comes back home is like a whole new chapter altogether. So yeah, those 2 hours are mine and I do that. बीच में मैंने डाइट भी बहुत किया था, काफ़ी खाना कम कर दिया था एंड बीच में मैं 1 महीने के लिए वेजिटेरियन भी हो गई थी एंड दैट वाज एक्चुअली द टाइम आई लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ वेट.
Okay.
इट जस्ट लाइक zipped ऐसे नीचे, फ्रॉम आई थिंक जो 77 पे अटक गया था came down to 70 ऐसे. But I also feel that it's very important to have protein. मैं 1 महीना तो हो गई थी वेज, but उसके बाद I had to like eat protein. I had to take my eggs and जो भी chicken या फिर just protein powder. I think that is very important because that also again my trainer has asked me to have. So that like 2 scoops a day या फिर 1 scoop a day at least. So it is very important because muscle build नहीं होगा, आपका जिम जाके कोई फायदा नहीं होगा if you're not taking proteins. So yeah, I think that is one thing that I've also put in my diet a lot कि proteins ज़्यादा हो, fiber ज़्यादा हो and carbs थोड़े कम.
So what is it that you want to address it to your audiences who've been actually talking a lot about your weight loss journey?
Yeah.
What are those 2-3 things that they should just be mindful about?
I think mindful about taking your multivitamins, drinking a lot of water. And I think because water also helps with your skin and your hair, just like the multivitamin is working on it. So बिल्कुल वैसे ही पानी. And I think proteins, if you are just looking to lose fat and build muscles, I think that is one thing that you need to. And also मेरा मुंह बंद नहीं होता, but आप लोग अपना मुंह थोड़ा कंट्रोल करोगे तो I think you can lose weight faster
and go to 65.
Yeah. So yeah, I think these few things, if you keep in mind, I think nothing can stop you.
So we've talked about your skin, how it is glowing, how you look in your 30s. आप अपनी skin को maintain करने के लिए अपने AM और PM का क्या routine follow करते हो? कौन से products use करते हो? आपको भी कोई skin concern होता है?
So I think the only concern for my skin has always been that it's been very dry, and in fact अभी कुछ 1-2 साल पहले जब मैंने वर्कआउट शुरू करने से पहले I had also realized that it's become very dull. I've just started looking very, I would not say old in age, but tiredness और वो एकदम haggard feeling नहीं आती है कि आपकी skin हमेशा बस tired रहती है.
बेजान.
Yeah, तो बस वैसी लगने लग गई थी, and dark circles and all of that. So, and I'm not a person जो बिल्कुल भी ये AM PM routine करे, but I've just like I said, I've started doing it very recently. Actually, my cousin is a lot into skincare and stuff. So she advised that, you are now 44, so you need to do something. And I'm like, okay. So, ये अच्छा है ना मेरा कि I have like all people to keep advising me to do stuff. So anyway, she told me and I told her, I said, listen, if you give me like 8 to 10 products to use AM and PM, I will not be able to because that is not me. I can't. मैं इतना सब अपने skin पे नहीं लगा सकती हूँ. And I'm very lazy like that. I can't. So, she just gave me sunscreen, of course, is like a part of my life, how multivitamins are. तो बिल्कुल वैसे ही. And I think those serums hai, I think, for the night, and one, after like I clean my face in the morning and stuff. So bas utna hi I can do, not more than that. But I also realized, कि ये external करना, facials करा लो आप, ये वो आजकल तो कितना कुछ होता है, right? But what about your internal skincare? It has to be like cleansed from inside, right? तब जाके आप naturally भी glow करोगे. I just feel that helps with good, healthy food, water, of course. And, I've started taking skin supplements. Thanks to you guys, HK Vitals skin supplements, because I think, it is very important कि आप, it's just कि आपको क्या करना है, मील के पहले, मील के बाद, या फिर सुबह in the morning, just plan it according to your convenience. एक time दिन का where you just have to take that one medicine and that's it. And you don't have to take it like a medicine. It's just something that is going to help you, make you smile, make you feel better, help you glow. So why not? So I think जो स्किन केयर वाला जो मैंने सप्लीमेंट लेना शुरू किया है, I think it's really helped me because you just said that I'm glowing. So yeah, I really see changes in my skin. जब मैं 20s and 30s में थी, मेरा स्किन कभी भी ऐसा नहीं दिखता था, कभी भी नहीं. Yeah, like I was dry, dull, because also I would not do anything, right? I would not bother about what I'm eating, drinking, nothing. Now, consciously, I do these things, take my supplements. So it just, helps a lot. And yeah, here I am looking like this.
So any skin concerns that you have?
Skin concerns, तो बस यही था कि dull and dry जो, पहले था. But I think the dullness is also gone now.
Yeah, you're glowing.
Yeah. So and now this time it's not makeup. Early in my 20s and 30s, I would say, okay, makeup hai, that's why I'm, looking like this. But no, now even without makeup, I can just, wear like just my serum, my sunscreen, and just a lip balm, and I still look okay, ready to go.
Interesting.
So yeah, so it's really worked with me.
So Kishwar, आपने बताया कि how you now focus a lot on your internal skincare and you've started consuming some supplements. So what are the supplements that you're consuming for your skin health now?
HK Vital Skin Radiance Collagen. That one. So actually the thing is, ये collagen का भी journey मेरा ऐसे start हुआ कि सुयश को basically, किसी dermat ने recommend किया for his skin to take collagen. And he started having it in front of me and I'm like, ये क्या है? He was mixing it in water every day and having it. And so I was very curious कि ये क्या पी रहा है जो मैं नहीं पी रही हूँ, I want to also have it. So I took a sip one day and I was like, I really like it. What is this? So he told me that it's, the Skin Radiance Collagen. And why don't you have it? It's nice. तो मैंने, उसको क्या किया, एक आइडिया आया मेरे दिमाग में कि मैं उसको रोज जिम में जैसे मैं पानी लेके जाती हूँ टू वर्कआउट, टू हैव इन बिटवीन. तो आई स्टार्टेड पुटिंग इट इन दैट वाटर, in my shaker, and I used to carry it to the gym every day. So wo sip karke, and I would finish it like in 1 hour of my workout, and when I would come back home, I'm done with, drinking my collagen. So wo collagen bhi chala gaya, workout bhi ho gaya, and your skin feels good. Your skin starts glowing, and you start feeling nice about it. So I think it just kind of worked like that for me.
So pre-collagen, like you said, your husband was fighting some pigmentation issue, and he started taking. So for you, you just experimented. I want to try this.
Yeah.
So what kind of benefits have you seen on your skin with this supplement?
So I didn't have pigmentation ka problem, but even Suyash's skin is much better now. It's like really nice. And mera to skin mein itna problem nahi tha. It was just that dullness and the dryness that has always been a problem. So I think usko defeat kar diya hai collagen ne, because I've been taking it now for about 6 to 8 months, I think. And it's worked wonders for me because, now I don't even need to do so much makeup. I just do like very little, not even base most of the times. I'm just like with my serum and sunscreen and lip balm, and I'm out of the house. And I'm okay with that because I know that I'm still looking nice, and I can carry it off like that. So I think it's worked wonders, for me. It's amazing. I also feel nice, because wo pura time to have makeup on the face also is not, it's also something that I've been doing for the longest time. Yeah. So I want to like stop it now. And I think this is like one reason, jo mujhe mila hai from collagen to stop.
So you take it every day, or is it that you take it few days of the week?
No, I take it every day. Every day. Because इट्स लाइक अ रूटीन जो एक सेट हो गया है. जिम में जाने से पहले वो शेकर में बन जाता है एंड बस मेरे साथ जाता है एंड आई फिनिश इट एंड आई
So
कम
which
बैक होम.
flavor do you take?
So I like the orange and mixed fruit, but prefer the orange because that is my taste. I like it.
So Kishwar, आपने बताया कि you also were facing with some sort of dullness apart from dehydrated skin maybe a year and a half back
Yeah.
before you really started working out and a lot of other things that you included in your
Yeah.
diet. Have you heard of glutathione?
Yeah, I've heard of it, but I don't really know कि क्या मतलब उसका क्या benefit है या क्या है.
So HK Vitals has actually launched their glutathione.
Okay.
And apart from glutathione, which is the most powerful antioxidant, which is there, just not it's actually cleansing a lot of other things. It cleanses your liver, it makes your skin glow. ये अंदर से काम करता है आपकी glow पे. So we've launched our glutathione.
कोलैजन के भी अंदर से काम करता है ये.
That's a separate.
Okay.
But if you're just looking at removing dullness or just looking at glow as a benefit, I think this is a great product.
Wow.
So apart from glutathione, हमने इसमें और भी skin ingredients डाले हैं जैसे कि hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, and we've launched this in a very simple format. It's a fizzy tablet.
Oh,
आप
wow,
पानी में
okay.
डालो और
And
बस
हाँ,
just
okay.
consume it on the go. And again, we have great flavors in this. So what do you want to
I
try?
hope you have orange because that is my favorite. Oh, yay!
So what do you want to try this?
Of course. Anything for glowing skin. This is really good. And now my skin is going to glow even more.
So thank you, Kishwar, for coming to our podcast. It was so good to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
We learned a lot from your experiences. I'm sure everyone would have learned. And a lot of questions that people would have wanted to ask you. Now you're not going to get those DMs. They're answered here.
I hope so.
So in this last part, would you like to share something with the audience, especially to women who are in their 30s and 40s, that you think that, is that message that you want to pass on?
I think one thing that I really wanted to say to them is that, set your mind on anything and nothing is unachievable at all. And also, don't think of multivitamins like supplements and, collagen and all these things as, कि ये क्यों लेना है, क्या है and all that. Just start taking it because सिर्फ ऊपर से स्किन केयर करने से कुछ नहीं होता. I think, internal skin care, internal अपने body को cleanse करना is very, very important. And I think all these things after a certain age, you really, really have to do. And I've been doing that for a long time now, and I can completely vouch for it. It's really helped me, be more energetic, and my hair is so healthy, my skin glows. So I just feel that, women post 30 and 40 should start. Aajkal to women at even 20, like girls at 20 are also, taking so much and doing so much for their skin. So I think we completely deserve it at 40 and 30. So go for it, guys. Just go for it. And also, the third thing I really want to add is, for us, especially for women, I think, everything, I think, if you're going through a breakup or after delivery, whatever, jo bhi aapka situation hai, it just gets very overwhelming, right? So, and stressful. And you like to take stress for everything. Agar kahin ka kuch bhi ho raha hai, to aap stress lete ho. I think, to wo stress se deal karne ke liye, I think it's very important that, you give yourself that time. That me time is very important. Like my me time is going to the gym, working out, getting it all out, So I think for everybody, ek kuch hoga, which will give you happiness. And I think you should just, totally take that in and just spend time with yourself. And I think you'll be very happy and smiling all the time.
Thank you, Kishwar. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.